Because here I am at Lewis Ginter. I don't like it all that much. I think I'd rather go home. Yes. We're over here in the conservatory. He is unimpressed. Yay! 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 How big is Noah? So big! So big! So big! So big! So big! Say blah 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 blah. Alright, here's the passy.